Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States in the Pacific Northwest, Lower Hood Canal in Little Belfair, Washington, my Hickville, USA place that I live in. I love this place. So welcome to my channel. This is February 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative Video number 16. So 15 and 16 are going to air on the same day. Those are going to start happening a couple of times. So I think 13 and 14 are airing on the same day. And I think 11 and 12 are airing on the same day as well, because I just know that I'm going to hit in the 30s with this kit. I just know it. So let's take a look at the kit. The kit is called Hello Spring. And you could have made 3 of this one, 3 of this card, and 3 of this one, and got those wonderful envelopes to cut up and do delicious things with, right? So over here, this QR code would have led you to a video to show you how to put this kit together as it was designed, and down here it lists the coordinating colors. As always, there's a visual over here of everything that's in the kit. Now videos 1 through 5, I show you everything in the kit, and then after that we move on. This QR code would lead you to how to purchase this set of 5 dies that coordinate with January, February, and March Paper Pumpkin. These two coordinate with this kit, the chives. Let's take a look at our stamps. So we have the chives, which I cut the chives right off mine. To a wonderful friend, sending love, the chives blossoms. This little background stamp, thanks for helping me grow. Happy Easter, hello, and for you. I'm going to set those back over there. They're safe for the moment. So this is using the centerpiece from the frame that I die cut from video number 15. This is going to be quick. There's only 2 things, well, in the stamp set. I am still bringing in the August 2022 Sweet Sunflower stamp set. We are going to use that little hello for one-of-a-kind friend. And yes, of course, the little bees. The little bees make me happy, 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 happy. Happy. So we're going to use it. You can see how they are going to lay out. So I will give you the measurements. So layer number 1 is this piece. This is that center piece that went inside that frame. Now that frame was purchased by my lovely daughter on Amazon. This is it. That's where it came from. This is from the envelope. So this is 2 3/8 by 3 5/8. Sorry, our card base this time is a note card, a white one. This is 4 7/8 by 7. 4 7/8 by 7, scored at 3 1/2. It's pre-made, quick and easy, right? And then we have the chives label, not the one with the wavy edges, just the chives label that we are going to use. And that's it. That's all she wrote, right? Bring this in. And oh, so cute. I already can see it. I can see it. I can see it. I can see those little bees. I'm missing the that's what I was missing, but I need to set that one aside. Bring this one in. We're going to stamp our chives right here. No die cutting because I'm not popping anything up on dimensionals. Just give me a second to hopefully get it right where it belongs. We're going to set that aside. And let's go ahead and stamp the inside. Now we're doing 2 things. We don't need this. We need not that either. We need the old olive. For the inside, we are stamping for a one-of-a-kind friend, and then we're going to stamp. We can stamp Happy Spring just to be different. Okay. You can stamp Happy Easter. Oh, it says Hello Spring. Well, we're not doing that. We're going to stamp Happy Easter. There we go. All right. And where did those 2? Just making sure I have them so I can clean them up. And we're going to stamp our little honeybees. Oh, no, I need this still. We're going to put that up there. We need to bring in the black memento. turn it this way. This little one's going to go there. This little one's going to go right here. And this wee little one is going to go right there. Now we're going to color these in again with Daffodil Delight and a little bit of Balmy Blue blend on the wings. This is just a Stampin' Right marker. Any marker would do. And I'm just going to give it a light, oops, maybe not a light. I wanted to do a light. I'm going to have to use the other end. There we go, a little bit of blue. So that is done. I'm going to leave the lid off that for now. We are going to glue this one down up in the corner like so, because we're not done stamping. We're going to stamp some bees on the front, but you got to wait and see where we're going to stamp them. So there's this one, right? And this one is going to go right here, which I could put it on dimensionals, but I don't want to. And I don't have to if I don't want to, right? So this is going to go down here. This is meant to be just simple stamping. Simple, simple, simple stamping. Oops, that's a chive. We are going to do the bee. So we're going to put a wee little bee here. Look how cute that is, right? And we're going to put a bee right here. And then we're going to go stamp another bee coming in just like that. Darling, cute. Yes, we're going to color them in. Yes, we are. Close that up because we don't need that anymore. So, a little bit of yellow on their little bumblebees, their little bodies. Now let's try to use this end. Much better. Just that little bit of blue really does add to it. And that's all she wrote. That card is done. Under 8 minutes. Stamped, done. Look at the inside. Ta-da, ta-da. Let's do the envelope. The card is done. The envelope's not done yet. Do you think I was going to leave the envelope unstamped? No. Cannot do that. So this time, let's stamp Hello Spring. So we're going to stamp the chives on the back and then on the front. And then we're going to bring in Hello Spring. Let's do this in Petunia Pop as well. Ooh, that's bright, nice little pop of color. That's a great name for that stamp. So over here, we need to stamp and stamp, and we're not going to do this on the front because we already have the Petunia Pop. But there we go. Our envelope. Check and done. And closing up the ink pads. If I had another card prepped, I probably could get it done too. Maybe I'll look for another quick and easy one. So what do you think? Nothing else. I'm not going to do in Castella. These were not meant to have anything like that on them. They were meant to be quick and simple, easy cards that anybody who does paper pumpkin and has paper pumpkin stamps could recreate. You could do this on a full-size card. I would do it on this size and then put this. You could do this on a Petunia Pop color. Let me show you. This is what I take my pictures on, right? So you could put this and layer this up and put that then on another card base and have that little bit of pop of color. But I'm loving note cards. I didn't use them for the longest time. I thought, oh, why would I spend money on that? Now I know why. I do know why. So I sincerely thank you, all of you, for watching and taking the time to watch my videos. Thank you so much. Um, it, it, it is so much fun to come out here and create and share what I love doing. Um, it fills this emptiness that was in my heart and my soul that I didn't even know there was such a void left in me from losing my mom, because I shared this kind of stuff with her all the time. And you all have filled that for me. So thank you. Thank you for giving that back to me. Um, it's amazing, the happiness I get from creating and sharing on this channel. And it is all because of you. So thank you. If you have time, it is those comments that are why I keep doing this channel. That is it. And the connections I have made, the tips and tricks, and just, this is a wonderful community, and I will always be grateful for the connections I have made. Thank you. Thank you all so very much. And I invite you to come back and visit me here in my Wonderland. Bye bye for now, everyone.